welcome back to the channel. My name is Hugo and I'm a full-time Microstock contributor. I mainly use drones to capture and sell Microstock online. I upload to many major Microstock agencies like Adobe Stock, Getty Stock, Shutterstock and more. I travel a lot, but I also film in my home country, the Netherlands. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how I do this.
Good morning, everybody. Today I want to go on another Microstock trip. Found out that there's actually another data center in the north of the Netherlands, and it was recently opened. I checked if I could fly there. It's in Winschoten. It is right here. So this is a possibility to fly around it. And because it's so much distance from here to Amsterdam, I want to combine a bit. So last time on my trip, I didn't visit Harlingen, which I found interesting. This is a city along the coast. But also I want to zoom in on a topic, electric vehicles. So this is an electric vehicle charging station. And they have charging hubs like this everywhere in the Netherlands. So I looked up their company website. I looked at their map, and there you can see that where they have these locations. And as you can see, they have actually charging station close to the data center. So that could be a possibility as well. That is kind of the plan for today. So the weather is really good, so let's go. So we have arrived at the data center. It's right there. So let's get out the drone and fly. There is the data center. And the weather is kind of clearing up, which is good.
After this, I drove towards the charging station. While I was driving there, I spontaneously came across a hospital that I thought would be interesting to film for Microstock as well. So the files of the hospital I uploaded as commercial because I don't think it's really a brand name, and if they get rejected I can switch to editorial later as well. After that I stopped at the electric vehicle charging station. I had to switch the frame rate to 60 FPS because otherwise the moving cars in the background would give jitters. And then there's a possibility that you get rejected on technical quality. Now I don't think this is my best footage, but I think it captures the concept really well. We see the concept of electric vehicle charging in the front, but also traditional fossil fuel gas stations in the background. After this, I wanted to go to Harlingen, the city I pointed out at the beginning of the video. The sun was already setting because in wintertime it gets really dark early. And this is actually good for the footage because you have golden hour lighting. So here we are. So the place I went to is right here, and this gives a good view over the city front, but also the industrial port.
Take off.
After flying, it's time for editing, keywording and uploading. And after uploading, it's waiting, but also earning.